Today we're talking about a bombshell leak that could change the world of SEO. Thousands of Google documents were accidentally uploaded to GitHub. These documents reveal some of the biggest secrets behind Google's search ranking algorithm, something Google has always kept very close to the chest. When Google was first founded, it was all about using an algorithm to rank web pages. This was a radical idea at the time because other search engines relied on human editors to curate search results. Google's algorithm was based on something called PageRank, which assigned a ranking to each web page based on the number and quality of backlinks it had. In theory, this meant that the most relevant and informative websites would rise to the top of the search results. However, this system wasn't perfect. SEO experts soon realized they could game the system by spamming a website with backlinks containing their target keywords. This let them dominate the top search results, even if their website wasn't high quality. Google's algorithm has become more complex, but SEO experts still find ways to cheat the system. The leaked documents suggest that Google may not have been entirely honest about how their algorithm works. For instance, Google has always denied that domain authority is a ranking factor, but the documents mention a metric called site authority, which seems to contradict that claim. The documents also show that clicks are actually a direct ranking factor, something that Google has also denied in the past. What it means for the future of SEO. This leak is a big deal for the SEO world. It suggests that some of the tactics SEOs have relied on for years may not work. Google may be using undisclosed factors to rank websites. This could make it even harder for SEOs to do their jobs. The impact on the web. The real tragedy here is the impact this could have on the web itself. In the early days of the internet, Google helped find unique websites. Now, top search results are dominated by big sites and advertisers. This leak reinforces the idea that SEO is dead, making it nearly impossible for small websites to compete. So, what does this all mean? It's still too early to say for sure, but one thing is clear. Google's search algorithm is more complex than we thought. This leak could impact how websites are ranked in the future. Thank you for watching.